All right, Ash, you got the legs and the project panel?
Sure do.
All right, I got something else for you.
What is that?
That is what we're building today. It is a modern rustic end table.
I like what I see right here.
Yeah, and you know what the best part is? We're only gonna need these 2 iron legs, a project panel, 2 1x3s, and a 1x2. Now, I've already made all the cuts, but I think it's probably best if we go ahead and line this out and dry fit it first, because you know how sometimes we nail things down and glue them?
No, I
And
don't.
then it ends up in a big mess. So let's go ahead and lay these out.
That looks awesome.
Yeah.
All right, let's put it back together again.
Oh, here we go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is attach these 1x2s that run vertically up the sides and in the center. And we're attaching everything with wood glue and nails. And Ashley, once again, has taken my glue. She actually reached behind me to grab the glue that time.
Shout out to Joseph,
Yeah.
who we actually met on the airplane, and he's a Shani to Chic furniture builder. And he said, Ashley always steals the glue.
And boy,
There
was
you
he
go.
right.
Busted.
All right. She also has a nailer sitting right next to her, yet reaches over and gets mine. So now I'm stuck here to do nothing. It's good times. Good times, guys, really.
We share. What's hers is mine. What's mine is mine.
All right, so now we've got those boards down and we're attaching our diagonal pieces. We're gonna go ahead and start up at the top and just work our way down.
Also, if you're curious about where we get our glue bottles, we are gonna link them in the description box below. It's called a glue bot.
And guys, I know this looks like a lot of cuts, but really it's so simple because you just set your saw to 45 degrees and that's the angle of all these cuts. So you're just marking with a pencil, running over the saw and make it. I made all of these cuts for this table in under 30 minutes.
She did, I watched her.
All right, so we have the top part of this table done, and now we're gonna go make the cuts for the aprons, which are also 1x3s that we're gonna wrap around the edge, and we're also gonna keep that 45-degree angle at our corners to give it a mitered, clean edge. We have made our apron cuts. Notice the 45-degree angle right there. And we are going to wrap this around each side. We're attaching it with wood glue nails, and the only difference is we're gonna keep this flush with the table. That way we have a little lip overhang on the table. We just thought it would make it a little bit cuter.
And that way you don't lose your marbles.
Exactly, when you're playing marbles, they stay on the table.
Or when you're eating like cheese balls, you can like set them on the tray and they won't roll off the table.
That is true.
That's what came up with the design, Ashley.
I know what she came up with the design.
Well,
She sat her cheese balls on a coffee table.
that's what it was.
And they rolled off and she was like, oh no.
I need a table to solve that problem.
Keep my cheese balls from rolling off the table next time.
DIY cheese ball holder table.
So Whitney, how did you come up with this table design? You like my idea the best, don't you? So Whitney, how did you come up with this table design?
Well, one day I sat down and I put cheese balls on a table and they rolled off, so I thought I should come up with a table that will hold all of my cheese balls. And along came this. And I did the metal bases because they hold more weight, so I can put more cheese balls on the table.
More cheese balls!
So, there's that side. All right, we've got the apron attached. Ash, you wanna hold it up and show them our magic? Ain't no cheese balls rolling off of that table right there.
That is a cheese ball holder if I've ever seen one.
That's right, so we're gonna lay this on with the pattern down so that we can work on this top side to attach these legs. Now let's talk about these legs. I found these on Amazon from a maker who does some pretty amazing iron work, because I just thought they were so, so cute. And I'm thinking with this table, space them as far as you can apart, because I could put a little basket with blankets under it or something.
Yeah, and for tippiness.
Yeah, true, that too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up flush with the edge of the apron, and then we just wanna make sure we're center, and we're gonna get this thing attached. All right, we got it, guys. So let's flip this over. How cute is that?
Super cute.
I love it. Let's show them. Let's like lean it a bit. So You've got your beautiful pattern top, your nice metal legs, and you've got yourself a really beautiful end table.
I love it. I can't wait to see it in your house.
Well, thank you. And the great news is, no cheese balls were harmed in the making of this table.
Let's go get a snack.
Like, where are the cheese balls?
I'm hungry.
I'm ready.
Cheese balls and peanut M&Ms.
Let's go!
Ash, you got the project.
Hey, girl! Hey, girl!
Witness. Just gotta look at the legs, set them down, and witness.
She's totally... There's...
I'm not gonna take your tape measure.
Oh,
nothing good happens after 3 o'clock in the afternoon when we're filming.
Not when we're together.